The major part of each project is reporting. Reporting is divided into three: daily, weekly, and monthly. So they give the project manager of what is going actually on the site. Reports unfold the hidden parts of the project and shows the real happenings. This is the project controller's responsibility to reveal the bottlenecks of the project, which is actually happening on the site, and present to the project manager for making a suitable decision. But when these reports should be delivered? Actually, reporting, as we discussed, is divided into three: daily, weekly, and monthly. I'm gonna describe each. Daily report. As it is clear from its name, a project controller should get the site reports daily. They should consider about the progress of each activity in a day. The material arrives, the start date of an activity, and the cause of the delay. They should gather these reports and store in files. Even a formal Excel file has to be mailed to the project manager. For accessing these reports, it is good to go to the site daily or to contact with the site responsible of each part, and also getting reports from foremans. Weekly report. As we get reports from site daily, so we are able to prepare a weekly report. It is a detailed and overview of the project. So gathering all a week report in a file and sharing with project manager gives a good view to have meetings and discussing to the responsible part of each section of the project. It helps of the succeed and going in line with the schedule. Monthly report. A project is a long term, and a month is past. It is the monthly report time. With monthly reports, each project manager has responsibility to see the weaknesses and strong parts of its team, to evaluate their reactions and be ready to the next months. Now we have a view about reporting, but which reports should we include in? The recent task, the completed percentage of each activity, the overall progress, to foresee the risks and challenges, the deadlines, comparing the actual works with the baseline, S-curve, the finish date of the project, everything is going as the baseline or not. We prepare a unique reporting file in Excel and insert the date for each of the reporting method. If you want to prepare a file in Excel, watch our Excel course.